In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram highlights from camera roll. So there are a lot of methods, but the one I'm just going to show you some. So first of all, let's just go and open the Instagram app. Then simply I'm just going to click on the plus button. Here, of course, we would like to click on the gallery icon. Normally, I already was here before, so they will give me this option example. But for me, let me just go and click on that. Click on continue. So let's just allow them to use the camera and also the microphone. So as an example, once you click on that option, we can go and click on the gallery icon from here, and we'll be able to select a lot of pictures that I have from my gallery. I didn't give access to my gallery, so it will not have access, but for me, it doesn't matter. I want something from my camera right away. So here's an example. Let's go. This is in my camera roll, and I'll just take a picture right away right now. You can go and click on next right here. And from here, an example, you'll have to go and share it on your story. We don't want a post. So this was a post. We just go and discard this one. So I want it to be story. You can go and click on this option and you'll be able to choose anything from your gallery or something right away from your camera. We just go and take another picture. And here's an example. I'm just going to share it on my story. Now, you'll have to wait from 5 to 10 seconds. And what you'll have to do now is just simply go to your profile. From here, go and click on your story as an example. Once you click on it, you'll find highlights at the bottom. So once you click on highlights, you'll be able to add it to any of the highlights that you have, or maybe in a new highlight. For me, I'm just going to add it to this hello highlight. And as an example, once I go to hello, I'll find some pictures, including the one that I just added. So we just added, or we just post a story, or we basically added Instagram highlights from the camera roll right away. Also, once you finish with that, if you don't want it to be in your story anymore, you can just go to your story, click on it, and click on delete story. If you go and delete it from story and refresh, no story is there anymore, but you can go, not this one, you can go and click on this, and as you can see, it will be deleted as well. So that means if you deleted the story, it will mean that it will not be there from the highlights anymore. So you'll basically have to keep it on your story if you want it to be added into the highlights by any chance. So of course, once it's uploaded, we'll have to go and add it to the highlights again. So add it to this highlight, and you will have to let the story disappear by its own, and that's going to be after 24 hours. So if you want nobody to see your story, you will be able to go, as an example, into the 3 lines at the top right corner. And of course, from there, you can go and click on the settings and basically go to privacy then story and make sure to hide the story. So once we click on the settings, as we said, we would like to go to privacy. So let me just go. So here is it, hide story and live. You can just go and choose that. And as you can see, this is the only follower that I have. So I'm just going to select that and click on done. That's of course if you don't want to show the story that you highlighted. So once the story is done, you can come here and remove all the people that you hide the story from. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.